So welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get unlimited currency in Shadow Fight 2. So as you can see, look at my gold and my gems. I have so much. So I will teach you how to get them. But first let me explain how it will become infinite. So they are actually infinite in another way. So when you spend all of your gold and gems, and if you want to buy something, just buy it. You won't need any money to buy it. It will be just free. It will not be free. When you will buy it, your money will become at that amount. For example, you have 0 money and the item you want to buy is 1640. So your money will become 1640, and after you buy it, your money will again become 0. And it's the same for the gems as well. So it's very useful, but it does not give you infinite levels. Level 52, or I could say max. So let's get straight into the video. So first let me close my Shadow Fight 2. You need to go to your Chrome browser, then search happymod.com. Then just download this app in anywhere. So I'm going to download it in my SD card. Okay, now it's downloading my file. Let me check the details. So as you can see that it's downloading. It is 8.91 MB and it is downloading very fast. So let's wait until it is downloaded. After downloading Happy Mod, in there you can download a lot of mods for a lot of games like Among Us and a lot of games. A little bit more left, then I will show you how to do it. So first just download Happy Mod. As you can see, it's downloaded. Press open, then press install. Then now it will install Happy Mod. Okay, now it's installed. Just press done, don't open it. Then close your browser, then open Happy Mod. So as you can see, this is Happy Mod. Press allow. Now it will initialize and then some ad might come. Okay, now just go in this area. Let me show you again in this area, the search bar area in here. Then just go and search Shadow Fight. Make sure to search only Shadow Fight. Then click on the first one which is saying Shadow Fight 2. Then now the main thing, you need to download a mod. You see this one, the one I just clicked, this mod. Let me show you again. This mod. Okay, so you need to download and install it, but I have already installed it. So make sure you do not download Shadow Fight 2 from Play Store. You need to download the mod from Happy Mod. Then you will get the mod at 1. But I am not going to do it because I have already downloaded Shadow Fight 2. So guys, bye bye, see you in my next video. Make sure to like and subscribe.